Welcome to this video on Mangroves4Life, community-based mangrove restoration for coastal protection in the Sundarbans region of Bangladesh, brought to you by SESDO. The project overview details the use of community-based ecological mangrove restoration, or CBEMR. SESDO is implementing this project in Gabura Union, aiming to restore 1.29 hectares using 3,000 seeds and saplings of 10 different species, involving 30 communities. The restoration approach, CBEMR, is a multi-step initiative that includes community engagement, site preparation, planting, and long-term sustainability efforts. It covers steps from informal meetings to conservation and long-term sustainability. Initial steps involve community meetings to ensure local participation and buy-in, crucial for the success of community-based restoration projects. Site selection is based on careful assessment to identify areas suitable for mangrove restoration, typically focusing on vulnerable coastal land. Identifying and documenting existing species helps determine the appropriate native mangroves for planting and restoration efforts. Fencing the site protects the newly planted mangroves from grazing animals and other forms of damage during the crucial early growth stages. A signboard is placed at the site, announcing the Mangroves4Life, community-based mangrove restoration project by SESDO, and outlining the project details. Seed collection is carried out by community members, ensuring a local and sustainable source of propagules for the mangrove nursery and direct planting. The project focuses on native mangrove species, which are essential for maintaining the local ecosystem's health and resilience. Community-based plantation involves local women and men actively planting the collected seeds and saplings in the selected restoration area. An alternative livelihood component involves the community using collected mangrove seeds as a sustainable fuel source, reducing pressure on other resources. A glimpse into the coastal village highlights the environment and the living conditions of the communities benefiting from the project. This Google map shows the precise location of the Mangroves4Life CBEMR restoration site in Gabura Union, outlining the plot area. The progress is visible when comparing the before image from August 2025, which shows barren land, to the after image from September 2025, showing newly planted mangroves. The progress continues. Comparing August 2025 to October 2025, we see significant initial growth of the planted mangrove saplings. This image highlights the community at work in August 2025, planting the mangroves, and the substantial growth achieved by December 2025. Further time shows continued progress. Comparing the initial barren site in August 2025 to the developing ecosystem in February 2026, the mangroves are clearly establishing themselves. By April 2026, the restoration site shows extensive growth, turning the previously muddy expanse into a thriving young mangrove forest. Regular monitoring is essential to track the health and growth of the planted mangroves and ensure the success of the restoration efforts. Regular informal meetings with the community maintain engagement and address any challenges or needs as the project progresses. Challenges faced included limited funding. Solutions involved mobilizing community volunteers, collecting seeds from the river, and establishing women-led nurseries. Our next steps include scaling up restoration sites, expanding women-led nurseries, strengthening community stewardship, and promoting sustainable livelihoods. Thank you for watching this video on the Mangroves4Life project.